Okay, so lifting off from the last video I've made, this is my KBParadise V60 mini with some Matias silent linear switches. Now I've looped these switches with some oil, so now they sound like this. Pretty much silent. See? So this is how I feel like silent switches should be, as opposed to like the before sound test, like before looping, which is the last video essentially, where these things had like a lot of rattling in the switches. These things now do not have any rattle, which is pretty good. Let me compare this to some unlooped Foca ALPS. So the sounds are gonna be from the same distance. See? I think that's pretty big of a difference between these two. Now I'm gonna make a sound test because somebody's asking me to do a sound test. Now why somebody's asking me to do a sound test is because I'm selling this thing. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of linear ALPS. They feel quite odd, but there must be someone that likes these things here. So let me just prepare the keyboard. Let's push the camera a bit lower, essentially, so you can actually see the side print. This, and I think let's focus here. Okay, let's close down the light and let us type. How is this so dark? Let's make this thing a bit brighter. Cafe maybe. So okay, not my fastest typing because honestly typing is pretty odd if you're having something this. Wait, let's push this thing down. Okay, honestly this is pretty odd if you want me like type on something so quiet, because normally I'd be using Foca ALPS daily and some random JMX as like some beater keyboard, but since I now currently don't have any JMX keyboards, I'm using this guy and the Foca like in between. So in the morning I'll use the Foca, and in the night when I actually want to play some music, I'll use this because it's more quiet. But the thing is, like, I can't get the feel of this thing, so yeah, that's why I'm letting this one go. Even though I do have some SKBM ALPS, which I do wanna try out one day, yeah, because that thing is brain dead, the Chicken KB5161F. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video of this thing. This thing honestly has some rattle still. Let's see, this is okay. Some little bit of rattle. This is pretty much okay. The rattle's like barely audible. This is perfect, I'd say enter. This is, the space has some but not very loud. Space has some on the right side. It used to be on the left side, now it's on the right side. I'm pretty confused, but yeah, that's how ALPS work. Yeah. So that's with Coster stabilizers. That's why I think they can like rattle up and down. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.